Hey, Chris. How's it going?
Hi, Sarah. To be honest, not too great. I've been swamped with work and feeling stressed.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is there anything specific causing the stress?
It's mostly the workload and some personal stuff. It's been a tough week.
I understand. Is there anything I can do to help or support you?
Just chatting with you is already a relief. Thanks for asking.
What's up, Lisa?
Hey, Mark. Honestly, not much. I've been feeling a bit down lately.
I'm sorry to hear that, Lisa. What's been bothering you?
It's a mix of work stress and some personal issues. It's been tough.
I understand. If you ever need to talk or share, I'm here for you.
Thanks, Mark. It means a lot. How are you today, Ben?
Hi, Olivia. I wish I could say I'm doing well, but it's been a rough day.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
Work's been overwhelming, and I got some bad news from home.
That sounds really tough. If you need to talk or vent, I'm here.
Thanks, Olivia. It's good to have friends like you. How's everything, Emily?
Hey, Mike. Things haven't been going well. Work's been a real struggle.
I'm sorry to hear that, Emily. Any particular issues at work?
It's a combination of high stress and difficult clients. It's wearing me out.
I can imagine how tough that can be. Do you have any plans for relaxation?
I wish I did. It's been nonstop. But I appreciate your concern. How are you doing, Alex?
Hi, Hannah. I'm not doing great, to be honest. Work's been a real challenge.
I'm sorry to hear that, Alex. What's making it so difficult?
The workload is overwhelming, and I've been facing some personal setbacks.
That sounds really tough. If you need to talk or take a break, let me know.
Thanks, Hannah. I might take you up on that offer.
How's your day going, Mia?
Tom, it's been a rough day. I've been dealing with unexpected setbacks.
I'm sorry to hear that, Mia. What happened?
A project I was working on got cancelled, and it's left me frustrated.
That's disappointing. Is there anything I can do to help or support you?
Just having a chat with you is already making me feel better.
Good to see you, Ava.
Chris, it's always nice to see you. Lately, I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed.
I understand, Ava. What's been causing the overwhelm?
Work's been chaotic, and some personal issues have been taking a toll on me.
That sounds really tough. If you ever need to talk or unwind, I'm here.
Thanks, Chris. Your support means a lot.
What's going on, Sophia?
Aiden, not much. I've been feeling a bit down lately. Work's been a struggle.
I'm sorry to hear that, Sophia. What's making work so challenging?
It's the constant pressure, and it's affecting my overall mood.
It can be tough. If there's anything I can do to help or cheer you up, let me know.
Just having you as a friend is already uplifting.
Long time no see, Emma.
James. I know, it's been a while, and honestly, I've been going through a tough time.
I'm sorry to hear that, Emma. What's been bothering you?
A series of personal setbacks, and it's left me feeling a bit lost.
I can imagine how challenging that can be. If you ever need to talk, I'm here.
Thanks, James. Your support is much appreciated.